The backstage of the fans has pre-ordered. Group of gifts just to give fans a period. Of replacement process. Now start first, remove the tail frame and then the shell. It's easier to install if you remove the outer shell.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Better stop me on the street last night.
The 6 electric screens of the original car.
Roller coaster, make it through the day of life. It seems a pill to get us gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high.
Finally, let's install our 1980 connector neck price 50A. Fold and wrap the tape to prevent addition. The positive pole installation back can also install the negative pole as you like. Finally, the outer shell is restored to its original shape.
You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees. It's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. It's about time. Oh, single high on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life.
Finally, look at the finish. Product. Test it to see if there are any problems. Finally, if you have learned it.